So the reason that I went with this windshield sun blocker was because it came in two pieces and that it's easy to put up and easy to put away. But the main reason is because my cell phone holder sits right dab in the middle of my windshield, and I am too lazy to take that down every time I want to put in a sun shield. And I don't have any problem with putting it away. The trick is you kind of just fold it over like a taco, twist, and then it should go right into its bag where it originally came from. It's very easy. As far as blocking out the sun, I'd say it does a moderate job. The shades are very thin and flexible, so I'm not expecting a miracle, but it does the job for me. It keeps my car from being scorching hot and protects my interior, and I'm very happy with it.